And so he is an ardent devotee, and so he is a samadhi, and he is looking for self-actualization, self-realization. So who knows the self-realization, self-actualization? There is a called Brahma, creator. There is a called a Vishnu, and there is a called a Rudra. Born, sustenance, and decay. That's how it goes. And he went. And he went to Brahma. Sir, you are the creator of this, but you know, and I want self-realization technique, self-actualization technique. He said, if I have, so if you are staying with me, you are always in the womb. You are always in the womb. You are always the seed. You can never grow. You will remain at the seed level only. So I am not that. My level is only seed, in the level of consciousness. You may be thinking, but I am only, I am not the death. I am only a seed. So you are mistaken. I am only a seed. I am only beginning of the time. I only represent the beginning of the time. But in the beginning of the universe, nothing is there. Beginning of the universe, nothing is there. Is there anything? These TVs are not there, these comforts are not there, and these elements are not there. What he will do? That's what he told. Is it so? It is such a dull. No, it is not even a singularity. It is only one to face. I am just born. So when universe Big Bang I am born. I am cut away from the singularity and nor any manifestation to enjoy. I am just born. It is completely inertia. Total inertia it is. Potential energy it is. What is born is. Moment of inertia is born. I represent the moment of inertia. Oh my God. But you are the first one created, sir. Yes. But my role is, through me you can't reach this. From white hole you can never reach black hole. Event horizon. White hole is different. Black hole is different. He said, I am only origin of the white hole. When you dissolve your body, you come to this level, you get stuck up here. From here the black hole, this is the field of singularity. And the way to enter is somewhere the black hole has to open and you will reach the singularity. From the white hole you will never reach. That's why your heart, when you reach the least quantum state of energy, the singularity opens. So then you make a river journey, you realize singularity. So what Brahma said is absolutely right. At the maximum when you dissolve in the meditation, you realize, you go to the level of the Brahma, Vishwarupaya Vai Namo Namaha. That's where the born, that's all. Vishnu, then he went. Best is, if you want to understand the manifestation, the best thing for you is enjoyment or entertainment, balance, life, self-realization, self-actualization. Enlightenment means Vishnu is, is a protector of dharma, so go to him. With great difficulty, he is my boss, he said. So he went to Vishnu. Vishnu is said, all wealth. He married to all kinds of the wealth. And he administers all kinds of the sustenance and wealth, energy. He's a complete sustenance, complete entertainment field of complete evolution he represents. Entire. So now the universe is born here and he represents entire what we are along the timeline. All galaxies. That's what Vishnu has shown, And he is everything, all the galaxies, all the universes, and everything in entire evolution. And from here to, from Brahma to, and the current line he has shown everything what exists. Oh my God, Vishnu, how great you are. And but sir, can you teach me self? Hey, I can give you the best entertainment. I'm only a protector of dharma. What is dharma, sir? You should go and ask. You have to burn this to reach that level. I am only a part of the present. You have to live. He said he is only past, beginning. I only represent the present. I am only way. Only through me. But through me, what you have to go? Next level, you have to fire. To burn. Completely consume. I only represent the present moment. You have to live in me. But the technique, I do not know. How the present knows it is a present? Then who knows? The one who knows, the one who lives in me, and the one who knows goes beyond. It is a fire. It is a fire, it is a fire. And he asked, have you seen my body? Yes, sir. It's black. How is your body white? Have you got fire? How my body burnt? Black, isn't it? So the one who burns you, there you go. That's why I'm burned. That's why I'm enlightened. I'm carrying the dharma. So whoever is burnt, they look black. Remember, I'm looking black, but who burnt me, Shiva. Go to the Shiva. He burns. He is the wisdom. I am only present. Staying in me, you need to have a wisdom. And wisdom is to burn. You see, myself got burnt and I am so happy. I have seen that Vishnu and Thandava and I got burnt and I got enlightened. Vishnu said. So where do I? But be careful. He is not like me, entertaining and cool, so quiet. Here wine is there, whiskey is there, woman is there, and everything is there. All plots are there, all flats are there. But that is not going to be like that. And so even approaching him is very difficult. Approaching him itself. Do you know the sun? Yes, I know, sir. Can you go to the sun? It's very hot. No? He is nothing compared to this fellow. Are you ready to get burnt? He is afraid. That is only the way, sir. Yes, that is only the way. To extinguish your fuel is only the way. He is only the way. Oh my God. That is only the way to get burned. There is no other go. Without burning, there is no other. Without burning the fuel, there is no way to experience the singularity without removing the duality. The only way to remove the duality is your future of singularity is here. Go. And he went, as he is approaching, itself is getting burnt. And skin is becoming, like in Himalayas. Who is burnt? Whoever meditates in Himalayas, the bodies become burnt. Have you seen yogis in Himalayas? Not lamas in the monasteries in the Tibet. But have you seen in the Pahad, Himal region, means where ice mountains are there. Have you ever seen the yogis? Their color is like a charcoal. Black color. In the white color you will see a black moving, a black moving. Then you have to catch hold of the black, hold on to him. In white Himalayas, you will see a black object moving. A white object means white bear it is. A black, only one black thing moves in Himalaya. Everything is white there. Only one black thing moves in Himalayas. This person name is called yogi. He doesn't wear any clothes. Whether it is a minus 30 degrees Celsius, whether it is plus 30 degrees Celsius, scorching sun, UV radiation, highest. Why is body turned? Highest UV radiation. So charcoal, burnt. What is this? Why he is burnt? He is in Kailasa, near Shiva. What he did is. Rama. Do you know Rama? Karatala? He is going to come in Treta Yuga. Yes, I heard, because they know the future. Yes, he is going to be black color. Do you know Shiva? Yes, black color. Do you know me? Yes, black color. Without getting burnt, you can't go to the dark. Black hole only opens when you are black. Understood? Understood. So there is no other gosa, only to get burnt. That is only the way to remove your karma, fuel. We are only creators of the karma. He is only the destroyer of the karma. If your goal is to enjoy, you stay. No, sir, I don't want. I have not come here. It's a Kruta Yuga. I am looking for self-realization. Then go to Kruta. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha is a Nirodha. Brahma Tattva, Vishnu Tattva, Rudra Tattva. Go. And he went. He is getting burned. Harsh it's becoming as he is becoming close. But he could withstand and he could burn all the impurities. Third eye, wisdom eye, is called Rudra. And he got Karatala, understood who is Brahma and who is Vishnu, who is Rudra. And then he chose and Rudra. And third eye, he sat in Himalayas, meditated. He got completely enlightened. He has seen the entire Rudra, Vishnu, Brahma field, and beyond he went to singularity. Purusha. Rudra is also called Purusha. That's absoluteness, he explained, he attained. A guru means why he burns, why he fires. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyamukshiyam Amrutan Mrutyamukshiyam Amrutan Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyamukshiyam Amrutan. Next mantra, what is the Mahamula mantra? I told you up to Mrityunjaya mantra. I stopped there. Next I told Mrityunjaya mantra as a Ramataraka mantra. Next mantra, this mantra, Rudra mantra. Shiva. Next Maha mantra. There is a criteria of the mantras. The first is a Gayatri. Second is Mahamrityunjaya mantra. So you are losing the opportunity. If you join in this course, you will learn that mantra. If you don't join, you will never learn. So Shiva mantra, Rudra mantra, Shiva. It is not as you think Shiva Panchakshari mantra, there is a Mula mantra. Om Hrim Hrim Om Hrim Shrim Shivaya Namah. That is only dessert. It is not the main course. Starter, main course, then the dessert. I chanted because that can be chanted very short. Om Hrim Shrim Shivaya Namah. Namah Shivaya. The Panchakshari mantra. That is much inferior compared to Hrim, Shrim, Hrim, Shrim, Shivaya, Namah. Om Hrim, Shrim, Shivaya. How Tibetans practice. Otherwise it won't come. The mantra will not. Hrim is not ordinary word to chant. If you chant like that, it won't come. That's what they say. They do. Hrim. Now you see the sound. It has to be. In Tibetan, then they say Hrim. 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 If you say Hrim, even if I say Hrim, it's not as powerful as Hrim. That's the power. The word, the sound. There it shows whether you really practice the mantra or not, known by the sound, quality of the frequency, wavelength, tone, penetrating. How much penetrating it is. Parichedana, how much you dissected your system, the deep. Your voice, your everything represents what you are. It is not that you are enlightened, but your voice is so struggling. No, it cannot happen. Everything in you undergoes transformation. So finally, the Karatala asked Vishnu, is it everything burning with the Rudra? No, sir. That's only for a while. There's nothing to burn anymore. It is so cool. It is all union. Then it is all union. It is all so cool. I thought Shiva is so hot. It appears like it's too hot from outside. But inside, once you go, dare, take, and then you see the cool Kundalini, the cool union, the cool, everything is cool. And it's minus 2 degree Kelvin. It's a 4 degree Kelvin, an object becomes a superfluid state. And Karatala said, what I experienced, that superfluid state, that elixir state, in that state, I have seen you all. I have seen you all as my teachers. I have seen everything exists in me, and I exist in everything. Hey Vishnu, hey Lord Vishnu, you have given me the right teacher. You have shown me your teacher. The Shiva mantra is given by whom? It is given by Vasudeva. Who is a Vasudeva? He is a reincarnation, he is a Vishnu himself. The Shiva mantra is given by the Vishnu himself. And Vishnu, whom he considers a guru, and only the Rudra, the Shiva is guru. And that's why he is very sincere in recommending and Karatala to his guru. That's the way, the legacy of the gurus. That's what a volumes of egolessness of the Brahma speaks. The volumes of egolessness of the Vishnu speaks. The volumes of egolessness of the Rudra speaks. Unfortunately, today who worship Vishnu, they don't understand Vishnu, who is their guru. Those who understand Rudra, they don't understand what is this Vishnu, who is carrying the mission of the Rudra. Patanjali, carrying the mission of the Rudra, is the reincarnation of the Vishnu. Panini, the one who invented the grammar, and the one who witnessed is the Rudra, is the Avatara Purusha of the Vishnu. Vasudeva is the Avatara Purusha of the Vishnu. Immature minds, trivial minds, count on ordinary things. Vishnu or a Jesus or a Buddha or a Vishnu or a Rudra. A yogi is a yogi when all bondages are broken, when one can see everything as the same. No way different. A student has to be like this. Atulita baladhamam swarna shailabhadeham dhanujavana krushanun jnaninam agraganyam sakala guna vidanam vanaranam Raghupati priya bhaktam vatajatam namami goshpadhi krita varashim mashaki krita rakshasam ramayana mahamalaratnam vande nilatmajam Yatra yatra raghunatha kirtanam tatra tatra krutamastakāñjali bāshpavari paripurnalochanam marutim samatarakshasantakam नमत राक्षसान्तकं प्रार्थनं करिष्यामि। श्री गुरुचरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर मुरा मुकुर सुधारि वरनौ रघुवर विमल यश जोदायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार। भल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर। This is called Hanuman Chalisa, Saturday. As I told you, a devotion, a devotee means how one should be. A student means this quality. If I have to chant, it has to be chanted in a special style. So today I am not sure I will be able to make it. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बलधाम अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरन विराज सुवेश कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश। हाथ वज्र ध्वज विराजै कांते मुंज जने पूजाजै। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप जगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिवे को अतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिवे को रसिय राम लखन सीता मन बसिय। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखाना विकट रूप धरि लंक जराना। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे। लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए। रघुपति क्लिन्हि बहुत बड़ाए तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई। सहस्रवदन तुम्हारो यश गावै अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीश नारद शारद सहित ईश। यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सकौं कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव किन्ह राम मिलाय रजपद दीन्ह। तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्र योजन पर बामा लील्योताहि मधुर फल जामा। फल जानो प्रभु मुद्रिक मेल मुख माही। जल्दी लागी गए आचरण जनाही दुर्गम काज जगति के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम हरे ते राम दुलारे तुम रखवारे हो तन अज्ञ बिसु बैठारे सब सुख लहै तुम हरि शरण तुम रक्षक काहू डरना आपन तेज संहरो आपै तीनों लोक आंकत कांपै भूत पिशाच विकट नहीं आवै महावीर जब नाम सुनावै नासै रोग हरै सब पीठ जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा नासै रोग हरै सब पीठा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीर. Cardiorespiratory problems like COVID-19 is called Nasai Roga. Any problem related to the nose. नासै रोग हरै सब पीठ जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीर. If at all if one does japa, Hanuman, this is a Veda japa, and all known Nasai, because the chanting style you see, your cardiorespiratory system gets strengthened. You won't get the problem of the COVID problem. You remember his master, his Guru Rama, watching the breath. COVID won't come. You chant this, COVID will not come. That's why we began this program for the COVID-19. We must end this program with the COVID-19. How to end it? Not only this, sakala, pidha, all kinds of the problems. If you only have the strength, like a Hanuman, this yoga program, what I am envisaging is to make you strong as Hanuman. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावै मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जोलावै सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै सोई अमित जीवन पल पावै चारो युग परताप तुम्हार है परसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधे संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दात असवर दीन्हा जानकी मात राम रसायन तुम्हारे पास सदा रहो रघुपति के दास तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे। जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंतकाल रघुपतिपुर जाई। जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त जहाई। और देवर चित्तन दराई। हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट हटाई मिटाई सब पीर। जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलवीर। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। यहाँ शतवार पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी सुख होई। जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसई। होय सिद्धि साखी गौरी तुलसीदास सदा चेरा की जयनाथ हृदय महाडेरा। पवन पवन तनय संकट हर समंगल मारुति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। तुलसीदास कृत हनुमान चालीस संपूर्ण।